In this video, we will learn how to send or receive email. Just click on Gmail and now enter your email address here and then type your password. Now, as you can see, your Gmail inbox is now open. Here, all of the emails will appear here that you have received, and you can explore more settings from here. Here you can see you have inbox, start message, or trash, or the sent messages. Now let's click on compose. Here you can type new message. Here you will type the address to whom you want to send email. Let's type an email address here. I'm sending a email to my student. Now here type the subject. It means what is the email is about, what messages you are sending, which type of. I am just greeting him, so I type greeting here, and now type the main message here. Type it professionally. Okay. You can use emojis to your message. From the bottom, you have a lot of option here. You can also change the font style by selecting the text. Then from here, you can add images, videos, any link, any your Scratch project. Click here to change the font style, font colors, font background, and you can explore it by yourself. If you have any file in your drive, so you can just simply click and drag from here. Now you have a lot of more options here. You can explore it, and to send the message, just click on send button. To see what you have sent, just click on this sent to see how many emails you have sent and open them. You can forward and reply to them. To see how many emails you have received, click on inbox.